I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got the 11 Pro 1 year back. So I don't need to buy iPhone 12. Yeah, it is very tempting. All the specs, all the LiDAR technology, all the depth and the fancy cameras and the low light performances and the good resolution of the video, etc, etc, etc. But do you really need to upgrade your phone? Especially if you have a iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 10, 10s. Well, for those who just have some extra money lying around and are really in need of some excitement in life to buy a new gadget, then sure, go ahead. But for those who want to save that little money, but yet take videos that would match up to a professional camera, for you guys, I have a great, fantastic app which I discovered recently. And this app can transform your basic, normal looking videos into something which looks really professional and which has that bokeh at the back, the blurry background. Basically the portrait mode for videos, which iPhone yet doesn't have. So I have a solution for you. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome. I am Ariz and you can subscribe to my channel if you like this video, or you can subscribe now if you're really impatient. But at least do give me a like if you do like this video. So let's dive into this app called Focus Live. We are going to focus on how to make your videos look magical. So the icon of this app looks like this, Focus Live app. So now when you open it, so first of all you have to click on this first icon over here, take portrait video and shoot a video. Okay, so right now I have just switched on this app, the Focus Live app, and when I tap on my face over here, so over here when you tap on this cross button, you get two of these squares and these indications. One is for the exposure, so you select the part where you like the exposure and just lock it, and then where you want the focus to be. So I want the focus to be roughly on my face, so just lock this focus area and lock it, and now I'll press the record button. And it's a normal video for now. As you can see, there's no blurry background happening, no depth of field, no bokeh going on. It's just a normal regular video like you shoot with your phone. So I'm talking over here and I'm moving around and seeing well, how the lighting in my room is, how am I looking, and basically just normally talking. And on the right hand side where the button is, like you can see, there's like a image of me, like how you could see in a negative film, and it's roughly showing the place where the focus is going to be. And now when I press stop, it goes in my gallery. So now I press this button called the edit video and it will show me these takes that I have taken. And now I open it. It will take it some time to process it first. Now when I open this video and press edit, now have a look. And when I play it, you can see the background is blurry and it's looking as though I have shot it from like a high-end camera with a fancy lens on it. And look at the way it's blurred the backdrop. Now the best part about this is, now when I just click on this timeline on this clip, there's a little small icon on the bottom called aperture. So when I click on that, and then I can select the size and the focus point. So for now, see, you can see this little red square around my face. So that's the point of focus. And when I move the slider left and right, you can see the depth at the back reducing and increasing. So I can select how much of a blurry background do I need in this video that I've shot. Is it f6.8 or f5.9 or totally blurred out? But I think that looks a little unnatural, so I'll keep it somewhere in the middle, like say f5.6, and just play it and see. And it looks really nice and professional. And I'll just slide it a little ahead and see how it's looking. So quite nice. Now I'll show you one more little magical trick. So now, like if I pause it over here, now at the bottom there's this point, there's this icon called focus. So when you click on focus, so you slide the slider left and right and see the focus point moves. Now the focus is on the background, on the wall at the back. Now if I move it on the right, the focus is on my face again. And this is something that is really amazing. Just shows you how the technology is going crazy and how much we can do these days with these fancy gadgets and phones and cameras. And now there's also a way to just select it by tapping on it. So if I just tap on the backdrop, the focus will go there. Now if I tap on my face, the focus will come to my face. I mean, we do this usually in cameras and with phones before shooting something, but over here, even after shooting it, you can select the point of focus. So this is a magical, amazing little app which can make your videos really stand out. Of course, there are other features like you can select the shape of the bokeh, and there are other things which you can buy in the pro version of the software. But even in this basic free version, there are a lot of great features, like you can of course change like filters over here, change like the LUTs, the look and stuff like that. Then you can change, of course, do speed ramping. You can speed up a image by making it a little fast. Then of course you can reverse the clip, freeze the frame. Then there's an option called stabilizer, in which you can kind of actually stabilize the footage if you're walking with your phone and recording something and the footage is very shaky. Even without a gimbal in your hand, it will stabilize the footage. It will first analyze it, and then you will have a full stabilized footage. So overall, this is a app which is quite endless. It has lots of other options. I can't tell you in detail what all it is. You'll have to kind of experiment and try it out. But this video was specially to tell you this feature about blurring the backdrop, which is quite unique and which is one of its kind. And I think this will really make your pictures, your videos stand out. Of course, for pictures, you can check out the other app, which is called OnlyFocus, which is FOCOS. And this is, of course, the Focus Live app. Okay, so that was it. So now you can brag to your friends after posting these videos on your social media and saying, oh, I got the iPhone 12. Even though the iPhone 12 may still not be able to do this kind of a video. So you could say you shot this with a professional camera. But what do they know? The magic trick that I taught you guys. So anyways, if you like this video, please do give me a like. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. You can follow me on Instagram right here. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I create some great videos. At least that's what I think I do. But until next time, keep shooting.